So this is the HTML code for my favorite food. So we have here the title, which is my favorite food. At the top of the web page, we have my favorite food, which is assigned into heading into two. So next we have here the table, the table, the table, which has the border 2, and then the width of the table has 200. So the height we have 100. So the color is pink, and then the border is blue, and we've assigned it to center. So we have here the name of the food, the description, the ingredients, and the name of the food, description, ingredients, and then the picture. So I only have one favorite food, and this is our family's recipe. So the name of the food is sinigang. So I put it in a style color to navy, and then the in the description I put it in a style color which is lime. So in the ingredients I put the style color into red, and then last is the picture. So when you run, so these are the whole. We have here the my favorite food. So the name of the food, the description, the ingredients, and then the picture. The name of the food is sinigang, description, and then the ingredients, and then the picture. Yes. And as a whole of this project, or in this HTML, so I will show you the whole. So in here you can see my favorite foods, my hobbies, my friends, my family, and about myself. I have already tackled all of this in my previous videos. So if you didn't see it, please visit my YouTube channel. So about myself, this is the home page. So about myself, here as you can see, and then my family, my friends, my hobbies, and then my favorite food. So that is all my HTML website. This is my website. This is on my website. So yes, this one.